Hey guys, this is second salute, and this salute will be about Scooby-Doo, Mr. Incorporated. And telling everyone who hates the show, I can handle your opinion. Anyways, enjoy. Scooby-Doo Mystery Incorporated? Wow! This show rocks. This show is about 5 characters and they like to go on great adventures. Fred reminds me Fred from Flintstones. Shaggy is great. Shaggy's best friend with Scooby-Doo, which also great. Velma is way better than 2023 version of her Velma. Daphne is so cute. And Scooby-Doo is great dog. If I seen her in real life, I would feed her dog treat. Anyways, animation is good. The playground is wonderful. The music is great. The faint song is catchy. The voice actor is very brilliant. The character is also likes to play video games. Very fresh air. Eat food when hungry. Drink water when thirsty. Go to school for nice clothes. Wear cool clothes. When summer and winter, and really often aboard. Too bad the show got cancelled in 2013, and too bad it got taken off the air on 2016, or early on 2020. Do you know who likes this show? Shama First Channel 2009, Homestar Roman Fanatic 2009, and Whoopsie the Terrible. They like the show because they want to try to feed Scooby feed on dog treats, which is great. And do you know who eats this show? Arthur Shungris the Master was 905 grams C and animation UTTP. And as for the Shungris the Master was 8845 grams 3. They hate the show so much. And that's what had animation UTTP. They hate the show because they want to feed dogs chocolate. Scooby-Doo dog chocolate. Only out the show Christopher Miss Australian 8845 grams 3 is better opinion on it. But tell to the mission UTTP she should be stop trying to defeat Scooby-Doo on chocolate. Bruh, that's dog abuse. You can't go to jail for it from supporting dog abuse. So Scooby-Doo Mystery Incorporated rocks. And so does Ed, and Eddie. Kid Star Kane sucks. And a salute. My next salute will be about the Powerpuff Girls.